The phrases, how many, and how much, are commonly used in questions, while quantifiers help describe the amount of something. Used with countable nouns, which are things that can be counted individually. Examples. How many apples do you have? I have 5 apples. How many books are on the shelf? There are 10 books. Try asking someone. How many friends do you have? How many cars are in your neighborhood? How much is used with uncountable nouns, which are things that cannot be counted individually. Examples. How much water do you need? I need 2 liters of water. How much money do you have? I have $20. Try asking someone. How much time do you need to finish your homework? How much rice should I cook for dinner? Quantifiers are words that indicate quantity but do not specify an exact number. They can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Common quantifiers for countable nouns include some, many, a few, several. Examples. I have some friends. There are many students in the class. Common quantifiers for uncountable nouns include some, much, a little, a lot of. Examples. I have some water. Do you have much homework? Try using quantifiers in sentences. I have a lot of homework. There are several options to choose from. Using how many, how much, and quantifiers helps you ask about and describe quantities effectively. For more grammar and vocabulary tips, just follow me and subscribe. Thanks for watching.